Ito football field pero hindi siya pwede.
Bomba! UE! Igma Kadima! 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 Fight! Fight! Fight!
Dito po kasi parang Indian mo. Pero tatlo po sa library ng focus. Kung may mga interview na po tayo first year to fourth year.
Ito maganda raw kasi.
Hello mga ka-Chupals, at nandito tayo sa University of the East, Caloocan, at kasama natin si Prof. Yeng.
Hi! Hello everyone. Thank you sir for coming here in UE Caloocan campus.
And Ma'am Yeng, pakilala po muna tayo sa ating mga viewers po.
Yes, I am actually Professor Arian Cabreros, aka Prof. Yeng or Ma'am Yeng. So I am the school-to-school promotions head here in UE Caloocan.
And Ma'am, regarding po pala sa sa UE po, is ano pala yung mga bagong programs na inaalok or in-offer po ng UE Caloocan po?
Okay, so currently we have here in College of Arts and Sciences the BA Communication with specialization in digital creatives, and then we also have the BS Criminology with specialization in cybersecurity.
And Ma'am, regarding po pala sa ating mga newcoming mga student, Ma'am, is ano pala yung mga process po? For example, senior high to college po, Ma'am.
Okay, so actually ngayon we are conducting the open house. So we are offering the free college entrance test. So dapat talaga makapag-entrance exam muna siya, that is a requirement. And they need to submit the different other requirements like of course their card, so kung mag-enroll na sila, and then yung kanilang diploma, and then kung ano naman yung usual talaga na requirements sa admissions office, yun yung dapat nilang isubmit.
And Ma'am, regarding po pala sa mga college naman po, is ano pala yung mga usual na parang challenges or parang nila, Ma'am? Kung kunwari, gagraduate na sila, ano po yung next step na gagawin po ng UE po, Ma'am?
Paano?
And for example, Ma'am, hirap maka-work kasi yung ibang campuses kasi, Ma'am, parang nag-o-offer sila ng assistance, Ma'am.
Okay. So actually, yung in that part sa OJT office, mas masasagot nila yan. Pero syempre, here in UE Caloocan, especially yung mga alumni namin, we really support yung ating mga newly graduates. And then, we have different connections naman. We have different industry partners na talagang during their OJT, pwede na rin silang ma-absorb. And marami naman tayong connections. Ayun. Saka, for sure, may mga fully equipped na yan yung mga students natin with all the knowledge and skills. So, syempre, dapat may initiative talaga sila na mag-apply kasi kahit naman bago kang graduate, yung iba dyan ayaw pa kagad talagang, di ba, mag-work. So, kung umpisa pa lang, talagang gusto na nilang mag-work, mag-apply na sila. Actually, may mga graduates kami or hindi pa graduate na-absorb na sa mga different companies. And marami na ngayon ang mga work from home, mga virtual or mga remote work. So maraming different resources kung talagang gusto nilang magkaroon ng work. Dapat may initiative sila, maraming mga online jobs, tama, na pwede sila mag-apply. Apply lang ng apply, wag sila mawawalan ng pag-asa.
And Ma'am, regarding po pala sa marketing strategy po ng UE, Ma'am, paano nyo po pala pinopromote ang UE po?
Yes, as the school promotions head, syempre, it's my main responsibility to promote talaga University of the East, yung mga different programs namin here in UE Caloocan campus. So syempre, una, pumupunta kami sa mga different schools, especially mga senior high schools, na kung saan nagpo-provide kami ng career orientation, career talk. Itong mga feeder schools din namin, ini-invite kami, okay, to give those different career orientation. So, pwedeng assembly type, room to room, or career fair. Nagbo-booth set up kami dyan. We give the different brochures, and then, yan, may mga pa-freebies din kami. Aside from that, nagkakondak ako ng webinar series. Hello everyone, you can attend our webinar series here. The different colleges po ay nagko-conduct ng mga different activities, extracurricular activities na syempre pinopromote din po namin. And then, ayan, during the open house, so kami ang isa sa pinaka-responsible dito sa open house namin with free college entrance test. And then, syempre, other marketing strategies, alam naman natin, nasa online na ang ating mga audience, tama ba? So, meron tayong mga digital marketing strategies like the Facebook, and then email marketing, at saka other online presence. So, yung mga website or webpage namin with SEO na yan, search engine optimized na. So, yun yung mga different marketing strategies na na-implement ko sa ngayon.
And ma'am, Prof, yung regarding po pala sa webinar, just in case na curious sila, ano pala yung isa-search po nila, ma'am, para just in case na interesado po sila sa mga webinar po?
Okay. Just search in our hashtag UE Caloocan o kaya naman admissions. Follow our social media page in the admissions office of UE Caloocan. So, nandun po lahat ng mga latest events, updates po namin regarding the different webinar series.
And ayun po ma'am, last na lang po kasi event po ngayon, foundation ma'am, is ano pala yung pinaka-hina-highlight nyo or sino-showcase po ngayon ma'am?
Okay. So, dito sa aming Foundation Week, aside dito nga sa open house with free college entrance test, gusto ko na showcase ng mga student organizations, yung mga achievements nila, yung mga accomplishments nila. That's why simultaneously, habang after mag-exam ng mga senior high school students, nagkakaroon sila ng campus tour. And isa sa requirement is yung ma-visit nila yung mga aming RSO booth or Recognized Student Organization booth. Doon makakapag-interact yung mga grade 12 students, makakapag-ask sila ng any questions or inquiries regarding sa program nila at ang makakasagot ay yung mga aming student organization na officers or members.
And ma'am, please invite naman po sa ating viewers na just in case na gusto nila maging student po dito sa UE po.
Yes, I'm inviting everyone. You are always welcome here in UE Caloocan campus. So, makikita niyo kung gaano kaganda ang aming campus and approachable po kaming lahat dito. And for sure, mag-enjoy po kayo kasi we really see to it na yung mga students po namin, not only puro academics. So, marami rin tayong mga extracurricular activities and syempre, yung mga programs natin, affiliated na yan locally and internationally. At saka, yung mga professors natin dito, syempre, hindi basta-basta. Mga experts po talaga. So, master's degree holder and most of them doctorate degree holder. At marami rin po tayong mga industry practitioners.
And once again, Ma'am Yeng, at guys, kung interesado talaga kayo, visit nyo yung kanilang website at punta kayo sa campus at ayun, kayo na tumuklas lahat.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much,
Thank you,
sir.
ma'am.
Thank you po.
Okay. Ma'am, photo.
Sa UE ka na! Hello mga kachupos!
Hello mga kachupos!
Hello mga kachupos! Kamusta? It's been a long time!
Hello mga chubos, at ngayon ay day 2 ng Moto Bazaar. Siyempre kasama natin si Ma'am Alex.
Hello?